We've been in the heat of summer, but we've also gotten some rain. This is when the food forest really looks its best. Been able to do some cleaning out here, move some things around. You can see that pumpkins are spreading through. Pumpkins don't mind the heat. It's not really the season for fruit right now. And of course we had that late frost this year. But I just like the rich greenness of everything, the mowed pathways in between islands of trees and plants, the insect life, the lizards, the birds. Even though it's so steamy hot out that it's not very pleasant to be out here often during the day. This morning there's a little bit of coolness in the air for some reason, and the rain has come through and washed everything, and it feels like a little park. Pathways through, blooms, lots of greens, and look at this. Wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. Somebody in the comments tell me what that flower is. You know, it's just truly beautiful to have the little pathways. The early morning walk through the food forest. The yams invading the paths. Those are Dioscorea alata, and they're mixed up with velvet beans. These are the jelly melons. They've invaded and naturalized themselves here. It's pretty funny. See how they're all in the pathway? I don't mow through here because I'm just letting the jelly melons run. We've been chopping and dropping in the rain. See all this debris here on the ground. All that food for the soil, sure need it. And our sandy soil. I'll show you some more pumpkins coming through here. Look at these guys. Aren't they beautiful? Running right through along the edge. Because we didn't put in many vegetables or anything this year, and because we got the late frosts, there's not nearly so much food in here as you would expect. There should be, but the pumpkins are gonna help bail us out some. We've also always got sugarcane in here, always. I just like the wildness of it. Every time I come out here, I see something I haven't seen before. As the food forest gets bigger, it gets denser and denser. Right now, it's still a little more like a savanna where you've got a good bit of space and wide open light where little plants can get sun in between. Coral beans, which I planted as a nitrogen fixer and a native hummingbird plant. We got the more open spaces on the outside here, and then the density gets a little higher as you get in. It's just pretty right now. I just thought I'm gonna walk out here anyways. Might as well take you along and just let you see what it looks like walking through a food forest in the morning here in steamy hot lower Alabama, where we're just getting a little bit of break from the heat this morning. Food forest is looking good. The rain is here, everything's green, and in the next couple of years there's gonna be so many fruit coming out of here. It'll be unbelievable. A lot of these trees are just coming into fruit for the first time. Thanks for joining me on this little walk. Catch you all next time. And until then, may your thumbs will always be green.